Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. Today guys, I have shared with you crochet capsules poncho designs for more elegance and more gorgeous videos. These designs are so stunning and gorgeous ideas. Different gorgeous ideas and different amazing poncho designs for more gorgeous and more elegant ideas. These designs are so amazing, are so stunning, gorgeous videos. Are amazing ideas and daily basis designs and daily gorgeous ideas. These designs are so amazing and different colors, capsules, poncho, like gorgeous videos for everyone. And daily basis design, it's so gorgeous videos, gorgeous ideas. Hope everyone like our amazing videos and daily basis designs. It's so gorgeous ideas. Hope everyone like amazing videos. If any videos and different gorgeous ideas and different amazing ideas and different gorgeous elegant videos. If any videos related to any pattern or more gorgeous and more elegant ideas. Hope everyone hope gorgeous like amazing capsules poncho more attractive for every country's girls easily carry these more elegant ideas. More gorgeous videos and daily basic designs are totally videos for uploaded for you. You get many more attractive and elegant capsules designs. Hope everyone like gorgeous videos. These designs are so amazing and gorgeous ideas. I requested all of you to subscribe to our and press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification for more elegant and more gorgeous videos. These designs are so amazing and different colors, blue, black, gorgeous ideas were uploaded for daily basis design. Daily gorgeous ideas like gorgeous, more attractive, more stunning videos and different capsules for uploaded for everyone like highest countries girls and university college girls easily carry these capsule designs for winter season. Best collection is uploaded for daily basis design. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care yourself. Allah Hafiz. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you?